So now, don't let your hand touch the table.
Absolutely fucking not. I know exactly what you're doing to me right now.
Oh, shit.
This is
No!
What up, y'all? Welcome back to another. What up, y'all? We're back with another episode.
Another one.
Not another. What up, y'all? We back with another episode of Shenanigans. Oh, that sounds stupid as shit.
Shenana soup.
You said I gotta be different.
I just said stop saying alright at the start of every sentence.
What up, everybody? We're back with another.
Guys.
We're back with another episode of Here Shenanigans. Today we got a.
I'm sorry.
What, that's all right?
It's an episode of Here on Shenanigans.
Yeah.
That's our show name. Here on Shenanigans.
Here on Shenanigans. What up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Shenanigans. Today we're gonna do some shaving cream with a pellet gun. It was actually requested by Jullian Gallegos. So thank you for that comment. I told you guys we read those comments. We do those suggestions. You guys shoot at us. We got some more plans coming up of other suggestions you guys have given us. So keep tuned for that stuff. So make sure, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Again, do suggestions, because we're going to probably do them.
We're always down to do stupid shit.
That's what we do. And if you're any YouTube creators out there and want to collab, hit us up. We're down for that too. So I guess we're going to get started. We're going to set up, and we'll start shooting this with some pellet guns and then see what happens. Boom.
Oh my god. That fucking ricocheted back like right in front of me.
Look at that.
Let me try. That was with the pellet. Let me try.
Just a dent.
That was a pellet or a
That was the actual.
BB?
That was the actual pellet.
Oh, because you said you like the.
I think the BBs have has a higher velocity, honestly.
I feel like I just almost lost my life. Oh my god.
Yeah, way better. Way better.
What the fuck?
No, let me shoot the shit. Let me
Hold on, I gotta make sure the GoPro's clear on.
Gotta clean off the lens there. Oh! Going for the shaving gel again.
Right.
Oh! Ah!
Did you ricochet?
Yeah, hit me in the crotch. I'm gonna try to aim between the two and hit that back one. Yes!
There it goes.
It spins. I love it.
Hold on. We can't keep going. We gotta clean off the GoPro after every shot.
It's so fucking cool. This is gonna get all over me.
You're good.
Oh shit.
Haha. Right, no.
There's one left.
Nope.
I didn't even shoot the table.
It's hilarious.
Oh
That so sucks,
my god.
but that is
I
hilarious.
didn't.
Troy, look what you did!
Dude, I swear I did not shoot the fucking table.
Yeah, tell that to the table.
Sorry, table. I'm annoyed because now I gotta clean this up. Ah!
Now it's time for the big boy.
It's way better.
Oh my god.
That's not a gun. This is a gun.
Fuck my. Oh shit. Dude.
It catches me off guard every time.
See, this was cool because it won't like it'll pierce it, and then we get to see the aftermath.
Holy
Whoa!
shit.
Why didn't it fucking? Okay, I was gonna say why did? See, then that happens. The sniper obliterates it, which is cool, but then we don't get to see that.
Boo.
So now you can aim better because it's iron sights. Yeah. Oh.
Riley. Time to shoot the shit.
This episode is brought to you by Bang. Bang Energy
By
Drink.
Bang. By Bang.
Get it?
That's why I said it.
Bang.
Bang Energy Drink.
There it goes. I like that.
Right?
One-handed.
Ting.
Ting.
Ting. You're hitting it.
Bitch.
I saw the dent. Oh, shit. And over to GoPro. So GoPro, if you'd like to sponsor us, please feel free. The GoPro Max, think of the shots we would get with this.
Ugh.
Or if anyone would like to send us one for Christmas, that'd be amazing. It's a $600 camera though.
Dude, it pierced
That
it.
was awesome.
That was perfect.
Thank you.
That was amazing. Hi, my name is Ryan, and if you would like to give us a GoPro Max to see these videos in amazing 360 view, hit us up in our DMs.
Oh!
got
It got both, yeah.
That'll work.
It totally got both.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for another episode of Shenanigans. Thanks to Jullian Gallegos for this idea. It was frickin' amazing.
Jullian, my man.
It cost us a table,
My bad.
but the outcome was amazing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you tell us.
I hit the trash can.
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below. If you like it, make sure you hit the like button. Share this video so we get more subscribers, so we can bring more content like this to you. If you want to give us a Christmas gift, we're looking for a new table, GoPro Max, or even a better pellet gun, so we can keep bringing stuff like this to you. When's the best time to watch us?
While you're pooping.
All right, guys, that's it for us. We'll see you next time here on Shenanigans.